Back at the church project, just taking a look at the floor here. We were gonna just frame this wall up the other day, but now we've got noticed that there was a considerable amount of squishiness in the floor, so we've got to take and examine it, remove anything that's not stable, and then got to put some new boards in the place of what's squishy here and see if we can shore it up so we can put the wall in. So anyway, this is what we got here so far. So as you can see, this floor is not ready for anything except removal. So that's what we're working on. We took up some of the tile. We're trying to minimize the strippage. So that's what's going on right now. Check in again in a minute. This right here is the main support beam. That's what's left of it. It's supposed to be about 10 inches thick all the way through from one side to the other. Or maybe not 10, but at least a good 8, and then it's about 10 inches wide. That's what's left of it at the end. You have this right here is a view from another angle. From this side you can kind of see if I can turn the light on. There we go. You can see what's left of the sidewall of that main carrying beam, which goes back through this little spot. You can see how the studs are supported on the top of it. So I haven't decided how I'm going to support that or what's going to go on with it yet, but basically it's being held up by this wall right here, which is only about 3 inches wide. Looks like it's most likely some flat place studs, and it's an interior wall for just, basically just for finish work, not really for support. And then you have the subfloor here. It looks like the floor has been done in the past. And over here you have 2 layers of flooring, plywood, and then some tongue and groove. And over here you have 1 layer of flooring on top of God knows what, because I think it's rotten. And then you can see that this is damaged right here. I just dug that up a little bit with a shovel because it's all mushy. And we already tried to stop and just take off the top layer of plywood, some 1/4 inch or 3/8 that's on top right there. You can kind of see the thickness when I drop down of the materials. Anyway, that didn't work. We're gonna have to go deeper. So we're gonna work our way towards the door over here and see if we can make it work a little better. But that's the direction we're heading in.